Okay, 1, 2.
Today we open the pig tram. Enjoy. That's the pig tram.
Okay, can we open it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
We open it.
Yes, please.
Where?
At the bottom, JD.
The bottom?
Yeah,
Here?
there you go.
How?
Yep,
How you open it?
like this. Pull. Pull it. There you go. Pull it out. 3, 2, go. So here it is. Whoa, can I see that? Nice. And then open it. Pull. Pull it. There you go. And there it is. Get it, pretty please.
There, Dad, there.
Yeah, nice.
Dad,
Whoa, that's the.
wheels.
This is the tracks for the
Pig tram.
pig tram.
This is the wiper, Dad.
Where? Show me.
Yeah. The wiper.
Mhm.
And there's a track.
Mhm. It goes there. Oh, that's right.
How about the wheel? How?
Can you see the wheels? Is it rolling?
No.
Yeah, it does roll the wheels.
It does roll. It
Mhm.
does.
Mhm.
It does.
Mhm.
Moving?
Mhm.
How? What is this, Dad? What is this?
Okay. You got there. Whoa.
That's moving.
Mhm.
How do wheel move?
Mhm.
It's how.
Yeah. Can you show me the front, please? Front of the tram.
This the front.
Yeah, that's the front. There. The side.
This is the side.
Yeah, that's the side.
This.
It's
What
got
the
all the
tram?
logo there on the side. And the
What?
wheels at the bottom. Yeah, it rolls.
It like rolls.
Yeah.
Can you see? Can you see?
Yeah, and the top. You see there, the window there, you can see. Nice. I like it.
Why is it moving?
Of course.
Look at the wheels.
So this is the base. What does it
This?
say there? 1888. Established in 1888. Wow, it's very old.
Is it moving?
Mm-hmm.
It has spokes.
Mm-hmm.
It is powerful.
Yeah.
This.
So it says here on the box. Oops.
The daisy.
It's the pig tram.
The pig tram. It
Fifth
moves.
fifth generation. The pig tram. Fifth generation. In the back. All right. What do you say, JD?
Thank you, Dad.
What do you say to the audience?
Thank you, Dad.
Thanks for watching our. Thanks for watching.